Folks, hello again. Let us do the review of what we have covered, and it will be very useful to those who want to make changes in their presentations. So let's cover it again. Well, let's create a little quiz, and then let's have some tips. First of all, let's create this multiple question and sorry, try again slide. Well, sorry, try again will be feedback to the wrong choice, and wow, you're sharp, click to continue will be the feedback to the right choice. Now, let's do it. But let's start with the sorry, try again slide. Now, apparently what we need to do here is to go back to the question in case we make a wrong choice. The best thing, well, one of the possible things is just to select this and go ahead and insert the link to the first question, so that when you make the wrong selection here on the first slide, we get to that slide that gives the feedback that you have made a wrong choice. Now, this is one of the ways to do this. Another way, which I find best, is if you go to shapes and select rectangle and put it on top of it, and then go ahead and create a link to the question, and then if you want to, of course, the question is how do you what do you do if you have covered the answer? You can do several things. First of all, you can format shape and select no fill. In this case, the shape becomes transparent. So let's see how it works. So wherever you click, it goes back to the original question. Now let's do the questions, the selection and hyperlinking of the questions. Certainly this is not the right choice, but let's try it. Okay, we hyperlink it to the sorry, try again. Again, Unis. Again, you right click on it, you go to link, you go to place in this document, and you go to sorry, try again. Okay, and New Orleans is the wrong choice. You go to, you right click on it, you go to link, and you go to place in this document, sorry, try again. All right, let's see how it will work. You click on Lafayette, sorry, try again. You click anywhere, there is no way you can miss it, and it goes back. Now, the question is, what happens when you select the one wrong choice? In this case, what happens is all the wrong choices become highlighted. It means that there is no other trial and errors. It means that only the good choice remains. How to avoid this? There are several ways of doing this. Way number one, you take the sorry, try again, right click, copy it, and paste it 2 times. One, you paste it like this, and you right click on it and you paste it again. So we have 3 wrong choices. If we go back here and we redo our thing, we go to edit hyperlink, or remove hyperlink, and let's link it to the first sorted try again. Eunice will be linked to, if you go to edit or remove link, and then we will select and go to link, and we link it to another sorted try again. And New Orleans, we may want to remove the link, the old link, and create the link to the third sorted try again. Like if you have seen, you create one slide sorted try again with a backlink, and then you simply copy and paste. It's very easy, very fast. Now let's see how it works. You go to Lafayette, click on it, sorted try again. You see only Lafayette gets changes the color, which means that there are other options are there. Eunice, try again. New Orleans, try again. So all the wrong choices still remain there, and if we connect the right choice to the right slide, wow, you are sharp, we are done. And let's try how it will work. We will click on this, and you will click to continue, and then you will have another set of questions, and we need to have another sorry slide and another for the capital of Texas, another sorry slide, and another you're sharp or you're so smart. Now, this is one way of doing this, of making sure that not all the choices are highlighted. There is another way of doing this, a little bit more sophisticated, but still very cool. You click on Design, and you select Colors, and you click on Colors, and you go to Customize Colors, and you see the color of the hyperlink is blue. Okay, by default you can have it any other color you want, but you may want to change the color of the followed hyperlink, and you will have the same color. In this case, this is what happens. You click on Lafayette, you go back, try again, Lafayette remains unchanged. Eunice, try again, but on Rouge you're sharp, and you make a large hyperlink to another question. Now, of course, you understand that you can also add a little bit of fun, like you have funny pictures, animated pictures, and this will work very well. Another thing that I wanted to tell you, it's a little thing. You can go back home, and if you go to transitions, and if you go to sound, there is the sound of other there is a lot of sounds, but I would suggest that you use other sound, and you can have a lot of them on the web. And final suggestion, if you don't want your clicking to go astray, if you don't want to click in the wrong place, and then the whole presentation will be upset, instead you can unclick on mouse click, and in this case, if you go back to the original slide, there is no way you can, even if you miss it, you still are there, you still are doing very well. So again, let me repeat this. You unclick on mouse click, okay, advanced slides, and in this case you simply cannot go anywhere other than the links. But you need to save it first. Okay, so that was the